There's a new proposal the city received from a property owner for a project they are calling Brakes Plus Vehicle Repair Facility. This is case reference number 4 UP 2024. The site is in the southern Scottsdale area. Here's an aerial of the site shown in purple, which is located near Scottsdale Road and Bellevue Street, south of Skysong and surrounded by other commercial and residential buildings. This is a street view of the site location of the proposed project. The plans provided by the developer request a conditional use permit for a vehicle repair facility on a half-acre site. This recent proposal will go to public hearings in the future. For more details or to submit a comment about this proposal, please visit the website provided. This video was created in April 2024 by the City of Scottsdale Planning Department. By law, the applicant and/or owner is entitled to submit this application and the city is obligated to process it. Information provided to the city is subject to change.